Hello everyone, my name is Diana Nagorna, I'm Ukrainian artist and felt maker. Today I'm pleased to present you my new video lesson. Many of you really liked this mini version of felted drop bag, and I'm delighted with it myself as well. In this video tutorial I'll show you step by step the entire process of working on this bag, from laying out the wool to the forming the finished product and fixing all these leather details. Also, you will receive this box with a full set of templates and ready-made leather details according to the bag size you choose: mini, MIDI or MAXI. This video tutorial is quite simple, like a Lego. I hope so. You just need to follow the instruction. So let's get started.